Hello and welcome to Healthy Lifestyle. In today's video, we'll go over the oregano oil benefits. But before watching the video, do not forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified when we publish a new video. Oregano essential oil improves respiratory health and is used to treat colds and flu in traditional medicine. We present uses and benefits in this video. The antiviral, antioxidant, and anti-inflammatory properties of oregano oil are well known. It is frequently used to boost respiratory health. We especially invite you to learn how to use oregano oil to treat colds. Oregano is an aromatic plant in the mint family that produces oil from various parts of the plant. It is available in herbal medicine as supplements, tinctures, or aromatic essential oil. The latter is designed for external and aromatherapeutic applications. Let's look at the benefits and risks of using oregano oil to treat cold and flu symptoms. The advantages of oregano oil. Oregano contains a variety of compounds that are beneficial to human health, including rosmarinic acid, thymol, and carvacrol. It owes its curative properties to them, the most notable of which are as follows. 1. Antibiotic properties of oregano oil. According to research, oregano can combat bacterial like Staphylococcus aureus, which is one of the leading causes of food poisoning and skin infections. Furthermore, the oil aids in the fight against some antibiotic-resistant bacteria. 2. Oregano oil lowers cholesterol. According to a scientific study, oregano oil may help lower cholesterol. Patients treated with oregano oil had a greater increase in good cholesterol and a greater decrease in bad cholesterol than individuals who only followed dietary advice. 3. Antioxidant properties of oregano oil. According to a study of other similar herbs, oregano contains 3 to 30 times more antioxidants than thyme, hypericum, St. John's wort, and marjoram. Oregano oil contains more antioxidants than some fruits and vegetables. 4. Oregano oil promotes digestive health. Oregano can help with parasitic intestinal symptoms like bloating, pain, and diarrhea, according to a study published in Phytotherapy Research. It reduces the number of invading microorganisms while also allowing for healing in many cases. It also appears to be an effective treatment for leaky gut syndrome. 5. Anti-inflammatory properties of oregano oil. According to one study, oregano essential oil can treat inflammation due to one of its components, carvacrol. Despite progress, more human research is required. 6. Fights fungal infections with oregano oil. Following laboratory testing, it was determined that oregano oil is effective against 5 different types of Candida, a fungus that affects the mouth and private parts. It is thought to be more effective than other oils that have been tested. 7. Relieve pain with oregano oil. According to a study published in Phytotherapy Research, oregano oil has effects similar to those of commonly used pain relievers such as morphine. Carvacrol is responsible for this property once more. However, more human studies are required to confirm its effectiveness. 8. Oregano oil can help you lose weight. According to a study published in the Journal of Nutritional Biochemistry, oregano oil aids weight loss by reversing the chain of events that lead to the formation of fat cells. There is still no conclusive evidence of its human effects. How can oregano oil be used to treat a cold? Oregano oil fights bacteria, relieves respiratory congestion, and acts as an anti-inflammatory due to its properties. In the case of a cold, it is inhaled or gargled with. Colds can be cured by inhaling steam infused with oregano oil. 1. Bring a pot of water to a boil, then remove from the heat. Add 2 or 3 drops of oregano oil and cover the pot. 2. Prepare towels to cover your shoulders, back, head, and finally the pot to keep the heat in the bowl for a longer period of time. 3. Following the completion of steps 1 and 2, place the still covered pot right under your nose on a table. 4. Ensure that you are completely covered and carefully remove the lid from the bowl for 5 to 15 minutes. deeply inhale the steam through your nose. This practice will assist you in clearing mucus from your nasal passages. 5. Avoid being exposed to drafts during and after using the decongestant smoke. In cases where there is a sore throat, 1. Add 1 to 2 drops of oregano oil to a glass of warm water. 2. Gargle for about half a minute in small sips. 3. Continue until the water runs out. This will aid in throat clearing. How can it be used to treat bronchitis and cough? Oregano oil is also an expectorant. It thins the mucus, alleviating bronchitis symptoms. It can be used in 2 ways for this purpose. Inhalation of steam. 1. Bring a pot of water to a boil. Then remove from the heat. Add 2 to 3 drops of oregano to the oil and cover the pot. 2. While you wait for the previous step to be completed, gather some towels to cover your back, shoulders, and head. Set aside a towel for the pot as well. You will be able to keep the heat of the container for a longer period of time this way. 3. Place the still covered pot just below your nose on a stool or table. 4. Locate it carefully and thoroughly exhale the steam for 6 to 12 minutes. This will assist in loosening the mucus. 5. Avoid being exposed to drafts both during and after inhalation. How should oregano oil be applied to the chest? 1. Combine 2 teaspoons coconut oil and 5 drops of oregano oil. Stir the oil in a bowl for a few seconds. 2. Using warm hands, apply the oil to your fingertips and gently rub them across your chest. 3. It is critical that you have adequate coverage both during and after the treatment. Contraindications for using oregano oil to treat colds. Take care not to overdose on oregano oil. The thymol in it may cause side effects if taken in excess or used for an extended period of time. Skin and eye allergies, nausea and vomiting, dyspepsia, and skin rashes are among the most common secondary reactions. There is currently no research to support its use in pregnant women or children. Therefore, it is advised to avoid using oregano oil in either of these cases. To relieve cold symptoms, use oregano oil sparingly. The advantages of oregano oil are numerous. Furthermore, this substance contains more antioxidants than found in some fruits and vegetables. However, keep in mind that larger studies are still needed to fully understand its effectiveness. Oregano oil can be used to treat some common health issues, such as colds and flu, but the proper doses must be consumed or applied. First, read the manufacturer's recommendations. We have reached the end of our video. Check out our description. There we have linked products that will help you live a healthier life. Also, please like the video and leave a comment below. Subscribe to Healthy Lifestyle, and I'll see you in the next video.